Hey everyone, just wanted to give you a quick tutorial, if I could, on installing the XFaction communication between the two guilds, the Narrow Path and the Narrow Path, the Alliance and the Horde guilds. So the add-on that Sil was speaking of is EK XFaction. What this allows is for chat to engage between the two guilds. So in other words, if an achievement happens in Narrow Path, then in the Narrow Path the achievement would show. Any guild chat that goes on within the two guilds will show up in both guilds simultaneously. The only requirement is that logged on at that time is any member of each guild that have BNet tags. So it uses BNet in order to accomplish that. So if there's ever a situation where one or the other guild it does not have someone who has a BNet tag of someone in the other guild, then this isn't going to work. But that's pretty slim that would happen. But also encourage you to get the BNet tags of your other guildmates. So once it's installed, you can also use it to check the roster of both guilds at the same time. Where I have it is in LVUI on this little data text bar here. As you can see right now, there are two with the app installed. In order to see those in the confederation, you have to have the app installed on each individual character. As you can see, myself and Brormac have it installed. We have the ranks, we have the location where you're at. Actually, even the keys are there as well, which is kind of interesting. How do we get that? So since I use LVUI, and I'm to understand that this will actually work with any overlay or data text or whatever, if you go to LVUI, data text, go to data text panel left, and then notice that you have three different pull downs. Those three represent the three positions on the data text bar. Okay, so on the far right hand, I've just chosen LDB, a guild X. That is the one that actually shows this bar. And of course, there's other ones you can add as well if you want to. You can play around with those data texts as the case may be. So, anyway, quick tutorial. That's all you need, and you'll have that to be able to set up on your way and making sure that we can communicate across the guilds. Thank you all. See you in game.